Hi there, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I've got a bit of a surprise for you. I'm going to show you guys how to create your own cryptocurrency from scratch with code and how to add a logo to it and add liquidity on PancakeSwap. So let's get straight into it. Let's go ahead and create a new file. I'm going to call my token or coin Flotch. Wondering why? First thing that came to mind is Flocky and Dodge. I just thought, no, let's combine them. Let's go again. I need to create this under, remember, create this under contracts. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to choose the Solidity version 0.8.2. Just make sure you're on that version and that you are in the remix within the remix IDE, and also make sure that you've got a MetaMask wallet as an extension. And make sure that you've got some BNB. If you don't know how to create a smart chain network on the RPC network, what you can do is you can look it up on Google. Let's just go to smart chain. Here, BNB network, or PEP20, rather PEP20 network. Let's go have a look. Here's network name, smart chain, RPC. There are all the details. I've done a video on this prior, so you guys can have a look there. But I can show you again if you'd like. What you do is you go to custom RPC, then you go to, you just type in smart chain, type in all the details that you see on your left hand side on the web page. The chain ID is 56. Symbol is BNB. Explorer. So obviously mine won't work because I've already got the network. But once you've created the network, you just press save, and then that's that. As you can see, I've got two of them, two smart chains. So you're only supposed to have one. Anyway, copy this. You're going to need this later. And then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Remix. Start off with Pragma. Solidity, carrots. Event. You can name. I'm not going to name mine. Mine's Flodge. I don't know what I'm doing here. Crazy. Naming a token. Mine's name your cryptocurrency. Mine's Flodge. And then nearby uint public name, or it's not uint. It's string public name. An error here. Flodge. The symbol, let's just go with TKN for the moment. Event. Decimals. Sorry, this is uint total supply. Need to know total supply. So up here, down there, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go with 1 quadrillion tokens. How many units is this? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah, I think that's more than enough. Right. Next, I'm going to go ahead with mapping. Balances. The view as public view. Event, transfer, address, text, from, address, text, value, and another event, approval, address, indexed, oh no, sender, uint, and value again. Okay, next up we're going to need to go with the constructor, and then we're going to create several functions. We're going to do one function for balance off, we're going to do one function for transfer, and then we're going to do one function for transfer from. You can name the functions what you'd like, but that's what I'm going to name mine. So constructor, parentheses, curly brackets, go with balances, msg.sender, total supply, function, balance of address owner, view returns, read, and balances, and owner. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and create another function. I said it was balance of, and then I said what next, transfer, right? Yeah, transfer function, transfer, address to public terms, and term balances. I'm just repeating. Sorry, a bit out of sync. Require balances. Owner. No, what am I doing? Way off. Junior developer says to senior developer, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that's how it is. When you become a developer, that's how you never know what you're doing. balances of. When I did balances of, have I done it prior? No. Yeah, this is the first instance. So balances of msg.sender. Then or equal to value. Balance too low. Let's fix this. I've got a typo here. Jeez. Fabio, you are really, really bad tonight. Require. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with balances. Brackets 2. Then I'm going to go ahead with plus equals the value. And then balances again. msg dot sender. Not curly brackets, it has to be square brackets. And then minus equals. Transfer. Message dot sender. Comma 2 and then comma value. Then when it will return true, this instance. Then we're going to go ahead with a new function. Said transfer, right? Yeah, not with a capital. Go with a small letter. Transfer address. No, that's not what I said. I've already done transfer. Yeah, transfer from. Sorry about that, guys. Address to address. Address from. Address to. And value. And we're going to make it public view. Returns. Boom. Top. greater than or equal to value the string. It's too low. Let's just say balance too low. If it prompts, we're just going to say balance too low. Let's go ahead again with the require allowance. MSG.sender. MSG.sender. Greater than or equal to value. We're going to go ahead with allowance too low. Exceeds the volume. Let's start off with balance to, not from. Then we'll do balance from. Sorry, balances, not balance. Balances. Balance from. Minus equals. Limit transfer from to value. Right. What's next? I made a typo already here. From. So this be a capital. Then we're going to go ahead and start a new line. And we're missing another function. We're going to go ahead with approve the function. Public returns bool allowance MSG sender sender value limit approval message.sender spender, value. You see the pattern. Find common pattern. So, okay, that's right. Image approval message dot sender, spender and value. Then allowance message dot sender spender equals value. That's right. And then we if so, we're gonna return true. Too many squiggly brackets here. I think that's it. Let me just check if everything's correct. Indentation is also very important. It's a very important habit as a developer because your code needs to be readable. Because other developers can read your code, and if it's dysfunctional or there's no good indentation, then what's the point as well? I mean, and also commenting is pretty important. I haven't done it because this is just a simple smart contract that I'm showing you guys. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and compile. Hope it compiles. Let's see. Line 39 doesn't compile, failed to compile. Let's see what's wrong. Yeah, we are missing squiggly brackets here, if I'm not mistaken. 33, what are we missing here? If I'm not mistaken, it was balance over the capital, right? No. It's balance over the capital, mate. Number 24. Let's try and compile again. Nothing. Maybe it's just giving me warnings, but maybe it's going. Right. What if I sent it to London? No, there's something wrong within the code. I know sometimes I forget my commas at the end every now and again. I think it's okay. Maybe I missed the function. I've got transfer from, balance of, and approve, right? The problem is here by line. You can use this terminal. Okay. Following accessible. Yeah, I want to know what's the issue with this code. SPTX not provided in file. SPTX. It's just licensing. I'm going to go ahead and say license MIT. Right, declaration 934. Oh yeah, I missed a return statement. True. Missed that. Go ahead and try to compile again. Still not. What else could be? Here's another typo. This is not supposed to be uint. This is supposed to be bool. Just remove this nonsense on top there. Check the version. The version's correct. What else could it be? Return true, that's fine. Don't see what else I've done wrong. Balances, I've got it here. Emit transfer. Public returns value uint to address function. So this belongs to here. Belongs to there. What on earth could I have done wrong? All right, I've found the error. It's very small. It was just balance of is supposed to be small letters. Go ahead and fix that. Stupid typo, but takes ages figuring out. And I'm just going to compile, save. You can use Control C on the keyboard. And there will be a few errors, but it should go through. So I'm just going to compile it in, make sure it's taking some time. I wonder if I do London. I don't think it's going to work here. Just do the default. Okay, so after that's done, we're going to go ahead and deploy it. I'm going to deploy it first on JavaScript VM. As you can see over here, I just want to show you. And there you can see it's been deployed. Then down here is the contract. Great. I got a couple of errors, but it still went through. It will still work. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to move it over to injected web 3. Now we're going to deploy. So first log into your MetaMask. Just connect with MetaMask. The Remix ID is going to connect with your MetaMask. So let me cancel and then show you again immediately when I save on JavaScript VM and then I go immediately to injected web 3. You see it opens up your MetaMask automatically. Then just go to next. View addresses here, connect. It's going to connect. Right, great. So it's connected. Go ahead and just deploy. And it's going to open up again. It's going to ask you for gas fees. So in my case, it's 0.04 BNB. How much is that? I don't even know. We can go and have a look. What's the price of BNB at the moment? I think it's like 500 something for one BNB. It's 0.004, right? It's like what, $2? A little bit more than that. 0.45 to $2.60. That's about £2. It's not much. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. Contract deployment pending. I'm just going to wait until it completes. And I'm probably going to get a message from BSC Scan to say that it's been completed. Please copy this, copy the your wallet address. It's been completed. Here's the transaction. If we go ahead and go over to BSC Scan, you can see there's the transaction's been completed and the contract's been created. So you have to save this. You can save this either wherever you like on your computer or offline if you'd like. This contract's like really important, so the contract over here, don't close this. Copy this contract and save it, because this is proof that you are the owner, or that this wallet address is the owner. Just going to put your owner Fudge. Okay, so the contract's been deployed, and like I said, what we can do now is we need to head over to, I think we're first gonna go and we're gonna head over to BCSC scan. I'm gonna log into my account. I don't think that's the username now. Let's go ahead to sign in. So now I'm going to show you guys how to add the logo to your coin. So I'm here in my account, address watch list. I've got one address watch list, as you can see right here. It tells me I've got $64 in balance. I've got my email and details here, APIs. Okay, this is watch list, private notes, API keys, verified addresses. I'm just going to add my address for the contract. I'm going to go ahead and press next. It's going to ask, use the contract tool, paste, compiler. It was a Solidity, a single file, and it was a 0.082, 0.8.2 version. And I'm just going to put here no license. Continue. There is a license. No, there's no license. Optimization, yes. No. And then just gonna go ahead, complete this reCAPTCHA. Contract library address. Well, there's only one.